Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is a 16 by 20 inch pre-prime black canvas from Artist Loft. I am going to experiment today, and the reason it's a black canvas with Anita's white metallic in the center is because I'm going to use some black around my edges. I kind of don't want this to be as even as that, and I wasn't planning on having it quite as deep as it is. But since it is what it is, and I'm definitely interested in experimenting, having a more organic shape in the center might be okay with me. Knock that right off. It'll probably go right over anyway. Use my spatula to help it a little bit. Use my fingers to help it further. Okay, so now let's get rid of the rest of that paint on that spatula and wipe it off on my studio rag, which is nothing more than a damp piece of sweatshirt folded up, put on a container to keep it risen up, and wet enough to wipe off a spatula at a moment's notice. So I'm going to do some things I don't usually do. Starting with getting that lump off now and mixing what might be a mistake, which is some Prussian blue with the black. I don't think it's going to make much difference, to tell you the truth. It's just meant to be a layer of paint, but I like the idea of the blue and evidently the white, which will just get mixed in a second anyway. I'm just trying to put a layer of paint down, and I'm thinking I kind of wish it had been purple, dioxazine purple instead, but I don't think it makes a big difference. Right now, I just want that layer of paint on there. This is going to be a Floetrol swipe. I'm thinking it might be pretty simple, but we'll see. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. Let's see what the... oh, that's much lighter. Oopsie. Well, never mind. I want to see what happens when I mix one color with the black, if I just get a different hue or what. I don't expect it to make much difference, to tell you the truth. But so long as I've got a nice layer of paint, I should be all set. I think I'm going to put dots of black right down the center so that there's a chance, and I might want to grab my, I might have wanted to open my enamel. I might want to do that immediately so I can do that, because the enamel sells nicely. The Floetrol sells nicely too. But the combination will guarantee that I get what I want, I think. It's time to mix up some new Anita's metallic and some new black enamel from Folk Art, which is a gloss. Yep, I don't think it made any difference. It might have changed the hue of the black a little tiny bit, but not so as you'd notice. Whatever I've got on the blade of my spatula, I can push right up into that edge. But let's keep moving. Doesn't matter if one side of colors goes to the other or not. Alright, that's going in the bucket. I've got another one. I want this to be mostly gold. But I've also got some Decor Americana. This is Decor Americana 24 karat gold, and I've got some of it with the orange. That I like to add in there. Okay, now where's my black enamel? I put it right there. Okay, fine. I'll just zigzag it across. And there's Tara going, hey, you made another painting. It's true, I did. Oh, somebody just commented on something. I have a dish of Floetrol. I need some more Floetrol. I think I'm going to start with a really long piece. Hopefully it will work, even though it's got a bit of a curve. I'm going to put a nice heavy layer of Floetrol right on there. If I need more of anything, I'll find out shortly. But I got what I wanted the first time, which was that those lines. I'm going to use another card entirely so I don't have to clean off the first one quite yet. I'm going to start at another place. And I'm not minding anything but that bubble. I'm not minding the weird shapes that get pulled. And I am loving the cells. And I am going to wipe that card off right now. And do it again on the other end. So, that's a little different. I'm not going back and fixing it though. I'm going to let it be. I say that now, but you know better. You totally know better. Alright, so I've got beautiful color right on the edge of my card. And I'm going to have it on both sides, so I might as well use it wherever it will go. Yeah, there's the gold right where I need to put it. Wipe off this card again. Right in my wet rag. The residuals. I'm going to have to use the other one. Alright, so here goes nothing. Let's offset that. I like those black lines so much, I can't tell you. I need a scrape dish. And I wonder if one of these little ones would work. No, it's too round. Maybe not. Maybe it'll work. Well, it seems like it might. I need a whole bunch of these cards made up just standing by. I'm going to just take a chance. There's my Floetrol. I got plenty of Floetrol on that side, but not enough on this side. I like the little bit of blue that I see. And I think a spatula would work a lot better than trying to use the scrape dish to clean off the card, to tell you the truth. And I do have plenty of Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. And I wasn't being smart about using them. So one more go and I'm almost done. So I've got 91,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for joining me. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not subscribed, please be welcomed. This is very organic. And I'm happy you guys are here to see it. I'm going to probably do it again with some red. I don't think I'm going to change much about this, to tell you the truth. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Please like my videos by giving me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. It helps my standing on YouTube. Also, if you are interested in helping the studio and supporting the production of videos, there is an automatic entry with any donation through PayPal or Patreon. You can find those icons on my bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or the links right on the link tree, which is directly under the video. Also under the link tree under the video is my email address should you happen to be interested in making a purchase of an artwork, which is obviously the best possible way you can support the studio's production of videos. I've got plenty of black on that piece of card that I didn't clean off, and I'm going to use it on my edges and my ends where I need it, but I'm not going to hold you hostage while I do that, because I'm just going to apply it with my finger. This is really simple. I'm not unhappy that I put the blue in there because I like it showing with the black. I don't see the purple as much on that side. I'm loving the cells. This is super simple, super classy, and I will be remembering that I want to put stripes in. If I want to put stripes and things again, I'll just put dots in, and I suggest you try that. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for all the contributions that helped keep me painting all this time. Thank you for the wonderful comments. Check out my Facebook groups on the Linktree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, where tomorrow's video is often shown. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, where you can find albums with the edited artworks from YouTube. If you are interested in making a purchase, use the hashtag in the title of the video to make an inquiry, please. Also, Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will take you to fineartamericopixels.com, where I have like over 1,400 items, and you can have anything added to the genre there, to the list, Same thing as excuse me, as Teespring clothing, which is under the video directly. All over print leggings and all over print t-shirts there, and lots of other cool stuff too. What else should I tell you? I have an Amazon link and 2 books are on it. My 2 books are called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, along with lots and lots of other cool stuff that you might want to check out. And when you shop there, it's at no way to cost you, but it helps me out. I have 1,800 videos, and they are organized by topic and genre and lists of 100 apiece. So it's easy enough to find what you want. And if you can't find what you want, please just ask me, because I will be happy to help you. I am really so happy. I can't tell you what that blue looks like. Maybe you can see it over here. But it was a good experiment, and I'll be doing it again. And probably sooner than later. And I might do the same exact painting with my red scarlet from Rust-Oleum. We'll see what happens. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Probably being redundant and saying that again. Remember, you can ask me questions, and I'll be happy to answer you if I have an answer. And if I don't, I'll let you know. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.